Alright, so we already completed the number and the cost part. Now we are coming to the type of age. जुग जुग से चला रहा है ये मैथ. अच्छा, number 19, that is very important one. Okay, 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times older as her daughter. अच्छा, ठीक है. फिल्म में बोलते हैं ना, जैसे 4 साल पहले की बात है, मरीना नाम की एक लड़की हुआ करती थी जो उसकी बेटी से 3 साल और सॉरी 3 गुना बड़ी थी. Am I speaking right? I guess हिंदी थोड़ा इधर उधर हो चुका है मेरा. Whatever, skip it. 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times older than her daughter. So, first of all, we have to start with the present here. That is, present age is for Marina, I'm taking as X, and for her daughter, I'm taking as Y. So, what was the age before 4 years? So, I'm writing before 4 years. Ages are, where should we? Okay, doesn't matter. Acha, ages. That is m dash, or you can suffix in your write in your suffix that n4, but it's okay, m dash. So m dash it should be x minus 4. So obvious, if current age is 10, then 4 years ago the age should be 10 minus 4, which is 6. So it is working like that. And her daughter's age was y minus 4. Pretty obvious that we got the ages. Right now, what should be their relation? Let me finish the first sentence. 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. So she is 3 times old. That means we have to multiply the 3 with her daughter's age, which was in 4 years ago. So 3 into 4 minus, sorry, y minus 4, that should be equal to x minus 4. Those who confuse, let me give you a simple example. Suppose, always think with digit. It will help you to make the understanding better. Achha. Suppose your current age is 15 and say 2 years ago, what was your age? That is, say me, come on, write it down in the comment section. That is 13. So you got your age 2 years ago, that was 13. Okay. So if I told you you have a big brother or any uncle that having the age 26 2 years ago, your age 2 years ago, that is 13. That was 13 actually. If you multiply that with 2, you will get your uncle's age. So you can say it like that. Your uncle's age was 2 years ago is equal to twice of your age. That is the similar thing is given in this sum. So just think it like that and you will figure it out. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so x minus 4, that is equal to 3 of y minus 4. That is our first equation. Okay, now moving to the second sentence, that is what? Let me check. I lost it. Yeah, got it. 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. अच्छा, चलो पहले तो 6 year का बात कर लेते हैं. So after 6 year now, after 6 years, what will be their ages right now? Right now, their ages are x. So it will be now x plus 6 more 6 year, right? So it will be added up. And daughter's age, oops, why I'm writing y instead of t? So it will be y plus 6. So we got two ages after 6 year, that is x plus 6 and y plus 6. Okay. So what will happen? What should be the relation after 6 year? 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. So what should be the relation right now? X plus 6. That should be equal to twice of her daughter's age. That should be 6. I'm writing over here. Wait a minute. Yes, got it. So this is our second equation. Acha. The common mistake you all do. Most of you multiply 3 with in this part, that is the mother's age, you just multiply that 3 with the mother age or 2 with the mother's age after 6 years. That is the common mistake I can see in the answer sheets. So, how you can avoid all those mistakes? Remember, which one should be the greater, which one should be the greater age? Mothers or daughters? Obviously, mother's age. So, suppose your age is now 13, my age is now 26. So, my age is greater. So, if you want to be equal with my age, you have to multiply 2 with your age. So, multiplication always occurs only with the age with smaller person. That is, in this case, the daughter is the smaller in the age. So, we just multiply according to this given conditions. So that I think will reduce a little bit mistakes in your sums. It will help you. So now practice is the must thing. You have to do it. Otherwise, no other any shortcut method will give you the idea. So first work is done. That we got the equation, and the second work is we have to solve it. Equation will be excited हो जाता हूँ मैं. Okay. X minus 4 that is equal to 3y minus 3 sorry, it will be I'm doing it directly 12. Okay, that is coming from the first equation. No issue with that. We have to make it a little bit equal or simple. X minus 3y minus 12 is there, so I'm just sending that minus 4 in the other side. It will be plus 4. So minus 12 plus 4, you know that it will be minus 8. Yes, that is coming from the first equation. Now moving to the second equation. If we make it more simple, it will be x plus 6 and 2y and 2 into 6. So it will be 2y plus 12. Very nice. So we can do it like the similar way. X minus 2y, that is equal to 12 minus 6, which is 6. So x minus 2y equal to 6. So I think I should go with substitution, but if you want any other method, always welcome for that. I'm doing it with substitution method, but you just try this sum with these two equation by elimination method. And just write down, as first of all, pause the video, then write down the answer in the comment section. After that, just recheck it. Okay, so I'm using substitution method. X equal to 6 plus 2y is coming from the second or this one. So we just substituting this value in the equation number 3, as we already gave 1 and 2. So this has become equation number 3. So we just putting the value x plus 2y, that is subtracted by 3y equal to minus 8. Okay, so as you can see, y is the only one variable that is present over here. So in this part, if you subtract this, it will come as minus y, and in the other side minus 8 is already there. If you send that 6 in the other side, it will be minus 6. So what should be the outcome? That is minus 14. So minus y equal to minus 14. That means the value of y is 14. So all you have to do, just put the value, find the value of x. Alright, let's do it. So before that, let me give you the idea that you got the value of y, that is the age of our daughter, present age obviously. Achha, you need to find the value of her mother's age. Alright, let's do it. I hope this part is completed. Just copy it with me. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand. Okay, so y equal to 14. What we have to do? Just put it in any equation. I am choosing this equation number 4 and putting it over here. So equation number 4, x minus 2y equal to 6. And I'm replacing this. That is equal to 6 minus, that will be plus 2y. And 6 plus 2 into 14, obviously. So you will get 34 over here. So value of x is 34. So what is the present age of our mother and the daughter? That is 34 is the mother's age and the daughter's age is 14. Very nicely done. Very important one also. If you have any doubt, Don't forget to write it in comment section. You can ask me anytime. Achha. So that is complete. Now moving to the next type of sum in this case. Alright, so here we go. Now this all types are completed. Now moving to the percentage type. Choosing the number 22 sum over here, that is a shopkeeper sells a table at 8% profit and a chair at 10% discount. You all know that profit means you are getting more money from your cost price. Discount means in your cost price you are giving a certain rise of the price. After that you are giving a such amount of discount from it. So these are all quite familiar with you. I'm thinking that if you still have any doubt regarding this profit and discount, you can ask me. So, shopkeeper sells a table at 8% profit and a chair at 10% discount. Okay, no issue with that. Thereby getting 1008 rupees. Okay, so that is now the thing. First of all, profit of table. Profit of table, that is 8%. Okay, no issue. Discount of chair, that should be, that is 10%. Yes. Now taking the cost price of table, I told you all you have to think about the cost price. So cost price of table, let x. Cost price of chair, let y. So we got the cost prices right now. All we have to think according to that. First of all, suppose you have to think it in the respect of cost price. So how much extra you got from the cost price? That is, if X is your cost price, then with profit, the selling price should be X 8 by 100. That is nothing but 8% of X. That is your selling price of, I should write it over here, selling price of the table. Similarly, we have to find the selling price of chair. Now, what should be the selling price? That is, you are giving 10% discount. Remember that. So, Y will be subtracted with the 10% of Y. Just think it like that. So this is your values of the table selling price and the chair selling price. You got these two values. Now complete this sentence. Thereby getting 1008 rupees. So this is your profit and this is by discount, and if you add them together you are totally getting 1008 rupees. So without any delay just add them together. 8x by 100, okay, then plus y minus 10. I'm just writing, I'm not doing any calculation. You can see that we can cut that 10 by 100, but I'm not doing that right now. So after adding this all, you will get 1008. That is your first equation. Very nice. It is looking so messy, so let me make it more simple, as you can see. So by taking the LCM of this x part, you will get that is 108x. Okay, and divided by 100 plus with the LCM of y part, you will get 90y divided by 100. That is equal to 1008. One more step we can do it over here, but let me stay it like that. Okay, let me leave it like that. Now moving to the second part, what is given? That is, why it is? That is thereby if he had sold the table at 10% profit and chair at 8% discount. That means just reverse the case. 10% profit on the table. Profit and discount is the same thing. It is applying on the same goods. But the change is in this percentage. Right now, the 10% profit offering for the table and the chair is having 8% discount. So what should be the equation right now? Just same equation but with a reversible value. Just think that if you know this equation, you can write the second equation very easily. How? Suppose first one having, that means the uh, table having 10% profit right now. So you will write x plus 10 x by 100. Simple. And what should be the discount in the share? That is 8%. So why 8 by 100? Simple. Just switch that places of 8 and 10. Similarly, you are getting the next equation. Okay, so after doing all these things, it is told over there, you are getting 1028 rupees. Okay, so second equation already formed from here. Right now, all we have to do, we have to make it a little bit good looking. We have to groom this one. Okay, so first of all, similar thing to the LCM. What we will get from here, that is 110 by 100. Okay, got it. Now it is very pretty obvious, 92 y by 100. So finally we got this. After adding, we are getting 1028. Okay, so we got two equations over here. All we have to do the normal elimination method. I am performing this one by elimination method. So these two are equations, equation 1 and equation 2. All we have to do the multiplication with this. Alright, let's do that. I think it can be more simple. So it will be more easy to perform the elimination method. Alright, let's do it a little bit simple over here. So the first one, that is 110, oh sorry, 108, 90 and 1008. So it can be cutted as 6x plus 5y equal to 5600. Yes. You can check it by yourself, do it by yourself. And if you have any doubt, just write it in the comment section. So you got the equation number 3 right now from here. And moving to the equation number 2. Similarly, we will make it more simple. 55x plus, it will be 46y, and that should be equal to 51400. Wow, nice. So it will be equation number 4. We got equation number 3 and 4. As you can see, we have to now multiply with 55 and 6 inversely to each other, and that is pretty much easier than this before values. So let's do it. After multiplication or after doing the elimination, you will get, that is from the first equation, 330x plus 275y, that is equal to 308000. And from the second equation, you will get also 330. You know that that is the quite beautiful thing for the elimination method. One part is getting more similar. It is 276y, and finally you will get 308400. After doing this one, you can see that the value will be very easier to you. That is, after performing this one, you will get over here minus y only, and in the other side you will get minus 400, as you can see. So y value is already come out as 400. Yes. Then what should be the value of x? Just put it in any equation over here. So after putting it in the equation number 3, we are getting that the value of x, let me do it, 6x equal to 5600 minus 5y. That is the given. So just recalculate this one. 5600 minus 5 into 4, you all know that, that is 2000. Okay, so 6x is equal to 3600. Wow, very nice value. And x equal to, we will get 600. So the value of x, that is 600, and the value of y, that is 400, obviously in rupees. So we got the cost prices. And that's it for the profit and loss type of sum. Alright, so next type is for the 26 sum, that is work person type. That means how many a person can finish this work in how many days, this kind of category. Okay, so A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days. Okay, so I just told you, read the first sentence and pick up some idea from there first. So A and B together do the work in 15 days. So there should be some capacity for A and B to do the work in one day. So just thinking that A can do work in one day is equal to X. B can do work in one day is equal to Y. We are assuming this, that their capacity of doing work in one day is X and Y. Very simple one. Achha. So, according to the given condition, what should be the idea? Let's finish the condition first. What is given? That is the wait a minute, where it is? Yeah. If A's one day work is one third, that is 3 by 2 times of the one day work of B. So A's one day work, that is X. So X is 3 by 2 times, I'm converted that mixed fraction. So 3 by 2 times of B. Oops, sorry. So X work is 3 by 2 times of B. That means X equal to 3 by 2 of Y. Okay. So this is the relation you can say, or you can bring the equation from here by placing that Y in LHS part. That is completely up to you. Okay. Now moving to the next or the first one. That is also given that in 15 days, A and B together can do a piece of work. So then in one day, A and B together can do 1 by 15. That is the together work. Okay. So the in one day, the part of work that they can do together, that is 1 by 15. So if A can work X in one day and B can work Y in one day, then after joining them together, the work should be equal to 1 by 15. That is one day work while they are doing together. So these two are the equation. I actually didn't solve that equation because I need the value of X from here, and I will put that in the next equation. So as you can see, I'm putting in the next equation and it is giving like this. So after solving this one, you can see that it will be 5 by 2 by taking that LCM, and it is 1 by 15 in the other hand. So y equal to 2 by 15 into 5. That is what we are getting over there. So it will be 2 by 75. That is the value of y, very easily coming. See, well, you have to understand that which one or which method you should apply for this kind of sums. Maybe in some kind of sums, the substitution method is going to be useful. As you can see over here, it is already coming in with the value of x. In other sums, maybe the elimination values will be more useful. So that is completely up to you, that how you are practicing all this thing to understanding all the tricks in better. So for this all things, one thing you have to do regularly, that is practice. अच्छा, so बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो चुका है. अब let's move further with that. अच्छा, so this one is completed. We got the value of y. Now all we have to do, we have to find the value of x. Obviously from the first equation, that is x equal to 3 by 2 of y. So 3 by 2 and y is 2 by 75. So very nicely it is coming that 3 by 75 should be value of x. So these are the capacity of them individually for working one day. Acha. So that is the thing. Now it's asked over there. Let me see what they are asking. We already got the value of x and y. So whatever they will ask over here, we can easily answer that. Acha. Then how many days they individually will take to complete this work? That is all they want to find. Okay, so no issue with that. First of all, we have to check that what is the amount of work over there. So suppose the first one, that is x value, which is 3 by 75, and the second one, that is the y value, which is 2 by 75. Now all we have to do, we have to see that they have to work one single work. Acha. So we will completely use the unitary method over here. That is, they complete one work in x work in one day. Then one work is 1 by x day. That is the pretty obvious thing. So that should be 3 by 75, 1 upon 3 by 75. So it will be 1 upon 1 by 25. So answer will be 25 days. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Y work can do by B in one day. Then one work B can do in 1 by Y day. So 1 by y, we know the value of y, that is 2 by 75. Just flip it out. We will get 75 by 2, which is improper fraction. So it will be better if you convert that into mixed fraction. So these are the values or your answers. That what the amount of the days that they will take individually to complete a full work, that is one work. So if you have any doubt, just write in the comment section regarding this one. So we have come to the final sum, that is according to the type wise, it is 28. That is the distance travel type sum. Okay, so in this part, what is given? A train is covering a such distance, that is let s. So the train is traveling with a uniform speed, and obviously let the speed is v, and time taken for traveling is t. So we got all these things. Obviously that v in kilometer per hour and time is in hour and the distance is in kilometer. So what is the relation between them? That is v equal to s by t or s equal to vt. We know that. These are the known factors. We know all these things according to our idea. Now it is told that if the speed is 30 kilometer per hour more, then the time will be obviously less, 2 hours. So if we increase the speed 30 kilometer per hour to travel the same distance, the time will be taken less 2 hours. So this should be the equation. Okay, let's solve that equation according to the first condition. So first condition is this. According to that, we have that equation. Now we are multiplying this equation. Vt plus 30t minus 2v minus 6t. That is equal to s. But wait a minute. S means what? S means Vt. So instead of s, I'm writing over there Vt. So Vt and Vt gonna cancel each other. And finally you will find 30t minus 2v, that is equal to 60. Okay. According to the second condition, what is given? The train is getting slower 15 km per hour, and that is why the time is taken more 2 hours to cover this distance s. So v minus 15, as the speed is decreasing, so s divided by t plus 2. So we got that. Let me hide this one right now. We don't need it. So after doing the calculation, you will get that Vt minus 15t plus 2v minus 30. That is equal to s, and I told you that s is nothing but vt. So vt and vt going to cancel each other. So it will remain as, I want to actually make that equation instead in the form of t as it is over here. This is equation number 1. So in form of t, if I want to make it, then I'm sending that t in the other side. So 15t in the other side, it will be positive 15. Plus 2v in the other side, it will be minus 2v. And that will be equal to minus 30. So it will quite like that. Achha. So all we got over here, that is minus 15t minus 2v, that is equal to minus 30. So all we have to do, we have to add them together. In this case, I will do one thing, which one is greater, 60. So I'm just subtracting uh, that 2 from 1. So what we will get over here, 2. That means 15, 2 from 1. So we should write it like that. Wait a minute. So first of all, the first equation will come 30 minus 2v, and the second equation therefore will come 50 minus 15t plus 2v, and that is equal to 60 minus minus plus, that will be 30. So that is the basic thing where, where the 2v and 2v going to cancel each other, and this 15t will remain, that is not going to cancel. So it will be 15t in this side and 90 in the other side. So we all know that it will cut at 30 and 5. You can directly also cut it, it will be 6. The value of t is coming as 6. What should be the unit? Don't forget to give the unit. That is the most vital. You need it over here. So there should be 6 hour of time. We got the time, that is 6 hours. Okay. So we have to put the value at any of this equation. So let's choose one, that it is 30t minus 2v. So 30 into 6, 180 minus 2v, that is equal to 60. So 180 minus 60 equal to 2v. 120 equal to 2v, that means v equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So we got the speed, we got the time. Finally, we have to calculate the distance. That is all they wanted over there. So we know that is equal to vt. Just multiply them together. So it will be 360 kilometers. That is all. We got all the ideas about the types, that how many types of the sum can come from this part, and we covered all the types. So that is now your work. Practice all the types by saying all the ideas. If you face any difficulty, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I'm always there for you. So for today, just over and out. We will meet in the next class.